We are what we eat. We consume food out of pleasure or necessity. Still, only a fraction of consumers is aware of the impact food is bringing to the human body. Steps have been taken towards raising awareness and standardizing labeling of pre-packed food, displaying information about calories, energy, fat and carbohydrates, along with precautions for specific food allergens. But what about labeling non-prepacked food or cooked dishes offered on demand by food business operators? We are social beings, always fancy night out, enjoying culinary art in restaurants, cafes and other food outlets. Food allergies, intolerances, diabetes or diet shouldn't hold back anyone from food experiences, especially now. Introducing QRecipe. QRecipe is a cloud-based system where you can create and store your recipes, including necessary food information conforming to UK and European regulations, delivering data for thousands of ingredients sold worldwide from regular and ethnic cuisine. Its ingredient comes with data related to food nutrition facts, allergens, lactose and gluten indicators. QRecipe holds information of 80 major food allergens correlated to each ingredient. Food business operators and culinary artists just log in, select the ingredients of your recipe, enter the quantities, and the platform will automatically collect and calculate all necessary data and export it as a QR code for your menus, electronic or in print. Diners just scan that QR code with a QRecipe Smart App and get food information of the meal before placing an order. Set alarm preferences for allergens, intolerances, diabetes, dietary and wellness notifications will alert you according to personal health requirements. You can set almost any alarm possible, and why not all of them, if it's necessary. QRecipe, improving food intelligence.